Have you ever held a rock and realized it used to be part of a living creature from millions of years ago? It might sound like something out of a fantasy story, but it's real. And that rock is called a fossil. Fossils are nature's time capsules, giving us a peek into the ancient world long before humans ever walked the earth. But what exactly is a fossil, and how does something turn from bone or leaf into stone? Let's imagine a dinosaur walking near a river. It drinks some water, takes a few steps, and suddenly dies. Not the happiest moment, but this is where the fossil story begins. If the body is quickly covered by mud, sand, or volcanic ash, it gets protected from scavengers and decay. Over time, more and more layers pile on top, and the soft parts of the animal, like skin or muscle, break down and disappear. But the harder parts, like bones, teeth, or shells, stay buried. Now, here's where the magic of nature takes over. Water carrying tiny bits of minerals seeps into those buried bones. Slowly, over thousands or even millions of years, the original bone material is replaced by minerals. The shape stays the same, but the material becomes rock. What's left is a fossil, a stone copy of the original creature. Sometimes we don't find bones at all. We find impressions, like a leaf print pressed into ancient clay or the footprint of a dinosaur frozen in time. These are also fossils, even though they're just traces. They tell us what kinds of animals and plants once lived, how they moved, and even what the environment was like. Fossils come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny shells and insects trapped in amber to massive dinosaur skeletons that stretch across museum walls. Each one is a clue to the puzzle of Earth's history. Without them, we wouldn't know that giant reptiles once ruled the land or that birds are distant relatives of dinosaurs. So next time you see a fossil or hear about one being discovered, think of it as more than just a rock. It's a message from the past, carefully preserved by nature itself, waiting patiently for millions of years just so we could learn its story. Pretty amazing, right?